Hi guys, it's Miss Jamie back for Crafternoon, and this is a special Crafternoon because it's 2 crafts. Yes, you're going to come up to the circulation desk and get in our Crafternoon basket. Remember, it's bright blue and it has Crafternoon on the front, and you're going to come up and you're going to get a bag of goodies, and inside you're going to have 2 projects I'm going to show you today. And one, we're going to make a bird and a log, and the other one, we're going to make a snowflake out of all these geometric shapes. Okay, so I'll show you guys how to do that. So we gave you extra shapes and an extra bird. We gave you some construction paper. So what you're going to need is you're going to need scissors. You're going to need a glue stick or white glue. I prefer the glue stick, and then some coloring crayons, okay? So let's get started. So I just want to show you up close that you're each going to get like a strip of paper like this, and then you just cut these shapes out. And that's what this one looks like, okay? So what I did to make, I think it's easier, but you do it your way, okay? What's ever easier for you is I separated my shapes into piles so that I could find them for my snowflake. Okay, so I'm going to start with this big one. Right there. And then I'm going to start another one right here so I can have 2 snowflakes on my paper. I'm going to do it like kind of sideways. What do you guys think? Do you ever look at a snowflake? Oh, I don't know why I put the lid back on. Silly me. I think they're really cool to look under, like when people do like a microscope thing of a snowflake. I think they're all cool. They say that the snowflake is always different. Every single snowflake is always different. They're really pretty close up. I really think they're pretty. So what you do is you're just gonna build off whatever you start with. So maybe you start with your triangle. I don't know. You're gonna go wild and start with a triangle, and then you start with, let's see, you could start with a diamond. That would be pretty cool, right? What's nice is they're all gonna be different, and they're all gonna be yours, right? Because you guys get to create this. So there's part of my snowflake, and then I'm gonna start, let's see, let's start with a diamond shape and go out like this. What do you guys think, huh? You guys gonna make a big one, a little one? Guys, there's enough shapes in here for everybody to be able to make a couple. Even if you decide you want to like make big ones, you guys could flip the construction paper over and you can make some on the other side. You can hang this up. It's gonna be up to you guys. Fun, fun, fun. So this should be coming out when you guys, for the last 2 weeks of December. So this is for 2 weeks. So basically like all of winter break, this one will be set up for. What's nice is your adult can come in, or you can come in and you can grab the Crafternoon bag and have it for 2 weeks. And then you can stop and start this video when you guys are ready to make the craft. I really like to see your guys' crafts. You guys could have your adult post them on Facebook under our post. That would be fun. I'd love to see your guys' snowflakes. So I'm just putting like a little bit of glue just to kind of speed things up. You guys put whatever kind of glue, like amount of glue that you guys want, okay? So what I like doing, if you can tell, is I like doing like patterns of stuff. So like this one, and then I'll pick like another piece like this, and so I did this with the pieces, and then I'll go out like this, and then it's actually pretty fun, you guys. You know, you guys could make like really detailed snowflakes if you wanted, or if you want to, you could just do, let's show you. So glue this on, you could put them on your paper so it looks like the snowflake is falling. What do you guys think? I like it. It's fun. Okay, so this is our first project, the snowflake. And our second project, let's push that out, is our birds. So you're gonna get construction paper, and you're gonna get a paper that has your two birds, and you're gonna cut them out, and you're gonna get a piece of brown paper. Okay, pause. What's the brown paper for? Did you get it? It's for a tree limb. How many of you guys got that? Okay, so I cut mine out, and to save time, the magic of TV, I started coloring my bird. What do you guys think? He's blue and yellow. So what I'm gonna do is color him a little bit more. Let's make his beak orange. Let's see. Let's make his scarf purple. What do you guys think? A bird with a purple scarf, right? Did you know birds come in all different colors? I know, it's kind of crazy. They're just beautiful the way they fly through the air, aren't they? So I made mine blue and yellow. And then I'm gonna do the little puff ball on top. You guys could add like an actual like cotton ball on top. That would be fun. Or a puff ball. Trying to think of what else you could add up there. That would have been fun, huh? Trying to think of something. Okay, so whatever's easier for you, you could color this before you cut it out, or you can color this like I did after I cut it out. So whatever is easier for you. Okay, so there's my bird, and you need scissors, and actually cut it like this across the dotted line. I did it wrong. Don't do that. Here, I'll show you on this one. Okay. Cut it like this. And then you fold it on the dotted line. Oh my gosh, silly Jamie. So, you're supposed to fold it, not cut it on the dotted line. I'm so sorry. Okay, so you're gonna flip it over like this one, and then you're gonna color the rest of this side. So, that's okay. Sometimes you mess up, right? You just gotta keep going. And you find where you want your bird, and then you figure out maybe where you want your branch. Oh, I think I want it sticking out that side. So I'm just gonna start cutting. And what's neat is there's no wrong way to do this one either, because it's a branch. They're always in different shapes and sizes, right? Do you guys have big trees where you live? Or do you have small trees? I have big, huge trees in my yard with, I've got a couple swings. I've got a big net swing that I love to swing in. And it's really nice to sit in and watch the birds too. It's a little cold right now to see any birds, but if you do, let me know if they have a hat and scarf on, okay? Because I'm curious. So let's give our tree a limb. What do you guys think? Let's give it some character. Okay. So I think my bird's gonna sit right here on my tree. So I'm gonna glue him down. Goodness gracious, I'm so silly. You guys ever done that before? I always do something, right? And then I just try to fix it or go with it. I go with it a lot. Okay, let's try this limb one more time. I don't know why I keep putting the lid back on the glue stick. I'm being really silly today. Let's do it this way. So what do you guys think? Now, don't forget to put your name on it. No name, no fame. Okay, happy holidays, everybody. I'll see you in January. Bye.